Hey everybody, so here's the cabinet. We're dry fitting the back floating panel. So what I've done, I put a rabbet on the back and then I sanded, as you saw in my previous video, and then through the table saw I ran a slot. I ran it through once and then I flipped it over, ran it through again so it's centered on the board. I tried to do a grain match, as you can see there, between those two pieces. Then I did the same thing on the centerpiece. It has the same groove and back here. So now I've just measured the slot. The slot I cut for the panel is 3/8 inches, about ½ inch deep here and here. So I've got 11 inches from here and here, and plus 3/8 and 3/8, or a ½ inch, so that's 12 inches. And I'm subtracting a 1/16 on each inch for expansion and contraction of the panel for seasonal wood movement. And so it'll be kind of a floating shelf in there. So I'm going to go with, what did I say, 11 3/4 is what I'll be doing. So here's the panel I milled up. I've already determined I want this to be the bottom. I've already marked the center, and then I've already marked my first cut. So I'm going to cut here and then change the blade, or change the fence on the table saw to my final dimension of 11 3/4. And then this should fit in the back just like that.